Good afternoon. This is Melissa with the StockSwoosh.com with the second play of the day for May 9th. It's just incredible that the top two things I like today rated exactly the same and both were phenomenal plays. This one was Rax and this other one was this Lpsn. And this just played out as perfectly as Rax. Rax had a harder move and Lpsn just fell off the sky, and you had to be very aggressive with this. You had time to think about Rax, and you didn't really have any time to think about this. This is the kind of thing that you got to know how to do your entries right on this, or you don't get in it, or you're getting in it like 35% after the move is already into it. And I don't like to trade like that. There's many people that will trade and take something on the break, and I like to have an actual set and a trigger. And these are things that I teach in the class. However, it was a great gap. As soon as I saw this morning, I said it's good, and then I rated it, and this was 23 points. It's the kind of day you get up in the morning, you say, wait a minute, I have two fantastic things, woo! And you celebrate, and you say, okay, I know that today is going to be a great day. And here it is. I mean, look. Actually, the first target I had on this, it just blew right through. Which I was thinking $9. I mean, it just absolutely blew. Blew on through the first target, blew on through the second target, which is a 860, 850. Went past the next target, 830, 825. Ran it all the way down to 805. Could have actually gone to 770-ish. Okay, if it really had wanted to, but this is done for the day. Again, you trade in the morning. Gaps move in the morning. It's the beautiful, fantastic thing. And the reason to trade gaps is the moves, is the momentum, is making money very quickly in the beginning of the day. This is the reason to trade. You know, you can go on and on and on and on about all the things that trading has to offer. Working from home, freedom, huge income potential, but ultimately, you know, to be able to work only an hour or 2 hours a day is just one of those things that you can't find in any career. To be able to make the money that you can make as a trader in the time frame that you can make it, that's one of the things that makes trading so special. That's one of the things that makes trading so special, so particular, so amazing. This trade was done in 15 minutes. There was no reason to stay in this, went 5 cents away from that dream target. It got right down near that $8. There's no reason to stay in it past there. And this kind of activity here, this big green bar, is because people lower their stop down in through here. But, you know, I would never do that. That's not how I play this thing. You play this thing, you take the trade you're in, you take it out. I have very hard exit rules. Otherwise, lowering your stop, you just get blown right on through. You get back too much money. Look. You get back 40 cents to get blown through a stop when you know the trade is done. You have to do the hard and fast exit rules. I mean, this looks like it's trying to set up again here in the afternoon, but this is done. There's nothing else to do here. There's no reason to take this again. This 20 is too far away. It did set up here in the 15. It did make a pivot, didn't go over $9. It did hold 875, but I think this trade is done for the day. There's no reason to do this again. Is there a double bottom here? Yeah, there is. Yep, there's a double bottom here, so there's no going back in this here. This is done. The trade was in the morning. And you write it down. There was absolutely no green at all until 9:45 in this thing. It's just incredible. Beautiful, 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 fantastic golden gap. One of the kind of things that you dream about and you say, you know what? I would love to get one of these every day. I'd love to get one of these every day. And during earnings season, sometimes you get two fantastic gaps a day. That's what happened today. Rax and Lpsn both rated perfectly, set up perfectly, ran hard. Beautiful, beautiful moves. So even this one ran not as hard as Rax, but for an $8 stock, this did run hard. You know, played out well. And dollar and a half plus move, you know, and, you know, you have to learn how to pick these and rate these to find them. So many gaps today. So many to look at. How do you know this one's going to work? You need a qualified system to pick it. and you need to know how to take it. And with this one, and the same thing with Rex, you had to be aggressive. And the only way that you can be aggressive on the entries is if you know what to look for, what to do, know if the gap is good, know what the entry is, know where the stop's supposed to be, know everything else. Otherwise, you can't take it. Or you take a crappy entry, you're chasing it, and you miss more than half the move, and then your stop's huge because you still have to position your wrist size. So these are just fantastic apps. This is Lpsn. It's done for now. There's nothing to do with this. This will close today with a bottom and tail. I will have a red body and close with a bottom and tail, and that's just fine. But this chart is very damaged after today's gap. It was a fantastic play on the short side. That's what I love to do. This is Lpsn, the Golden Gap. This is the second play of the day for the Stock Swoosh show today. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, everybody. And thanks. And if you're interested in more information on the Golden Gap class, please feel free to contact me at melissa@thestockswoosh.com. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day.